Can you believe it? A tiny animal possesses fur so valuable that it has created a billion-dollar industry. Their fur stands out not only for its softness and shine, but also for its excellent insulation, making it the perfect material for high-end fashion products. With 50 million mink pelts produced annually, this industry generates a staggering $8 billion in revenue. Civet droppings also play a role in producing an incredibly unique and expensive type of coffee. Follow me to a civet farm to explore more about this fascinating animal. During the first 2 to 3 weeks, the mother keeps the babies warm and protected by staying close to them or covering them. Farmers also add straw bedding to keep them even warmer. During their growth stage, civets are carefully tended to by farmers. Their diet, up until maturity, can amount to several tons of finely ground fish. After 8 months of nurturing, this is the time when farmers reap the fruits of their hard work after a long period of dedicated care. Farmers use methods to render the civets unconscious before harvesting their fur, a practice commonly applied to minimize the animal's struggle or stress. The civet fur can be bleached to remove its natural color or dyed into various other colors. The rotating drum helps the chemicals to evenly penetrate each layer of skin and fur, reducing their stiffness and making the fur smoother. Labeling is an important part of product identification, providing information to consumers and verifying the quality and origin of the product. To ensure the quality of the fur is not damaged, the fur fibers are rolled or neatly arranged before being placed into packaging. In addition to using fur to make coats, civet feces can also produce a unique and highly sought-after product, civet coffee. It all begins with harvesting the ripe coffee cherries from the trees. After being picked, these cherries are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. The coffee beans harvested from the waste are cleaned and dried under the sun. Once they reach the appropriate level of dryness, they are placed in a dry heat dryer to ensure that the coffee beans are completely moisture-free, helping to preserve them for a long time. However, this also raises concerns about the conservation of civet species. When forced to continuously produce coffee, civets are prone to stress, health deterioration, and reduced reproductive abilities, all for the sake of a single cup of coffee. Therefore, farms need to adopt humane farming models that ensure a natural living environment for the civets. What are your thoughts on this? Feel free to share your opinion in the comments below. The exceptional growth rate of bamboo compared to traditional timber is striking, requiring only 5 to 7 years to mature versus 30 to 100 years for conventional trees. Only 1 acre of bamboo is needed to build a 1,000 square foot house, compared to 12 acres of forest for the same purpose. This method not only conserves labor, but is also well suited for rugged mountainous terrain where machinery is difficult to operate. The process of harvesting and transporting bamboo from the forest to the base of the mountain is highly challenging. In the trend of green and sustainable living, bamboo products are increasingly popular due to their eco-friendliness and high utility. Disposable bamboo chopsticks serve as an excellent alternative to plastic or other single-use chopsticks, offering a safe choice for health while contributing to planet protection. After shaping, the bamboo chopsticks are washed in an anti-mold solution to enhance durability and prevent bacteria and mold growth. They are placed in a drying kiln for sterilization to ensure hygiene before packaging. The bamboo spoon shaping press transforms the material into aesthetically pleasing spoons, using high temperature and pressure to mold the product according to the design. In addition to bamboo spoons, bamboo forks are an eco-friendly product offering both convenience and sustainability. Each year, millions of plastic straws flood the world, contributing significantly to environmental pollution. Bamboo straws emerge as the best eco-friendly alternative, offering a sustainable and biodegradable solution. Bamboo absorbs CO2 efficiently, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect when used as a substitute for other building materials. Bamboo is a natural material commonly used for paper production due to its long, durable, and easily recyclable cellulose fibers. Using bamboo for paper production not only reduces pressure on forests, but also contributes to environmental protection due to bamboo's rapid renewability. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.